What's up guys, it's your boy Pierce Skills. So today we're gonna make a fishing video. As you can see, my rod's right here. And my reel. It's a nice reel. And yeah. Alright, so let's just get right into the action, y'all. So guys, we're headed to our secret fishing spot, right?
You don't even know where we're going.
Waiting for our food.
Why do you gotta report this?
It's a vlog, bro. We vlog and record everything. We're out here, guys. We're at our fishing spot and we're gonna get set up. Alright guys, we're about to go fishing. This is Simon, that's Wilson. Oh. Simon, help me hold this. Put your tackle box down. Simon, what are you doing?
I'm down.
Oh, the water's coming in. Dude, the fish are gonna start biting. Come on, man. Thanks, buddy. Oh, crap. Make a little piece for the fish. That's how we're gonna catch some. You guys like my cameraman? Should I hire him? Oh, crap. Oh, my... Holy crap. My skin, y'all.
What kind of knife is this?
Crap. I'm not bleeding. Crap, yo, my skin.
You barely cut it, lol.
Let me get down here, y'all. My GoPro's almost out of battery.
My rod stuck in that stone?
Is there actually a fish down there? How big is it?
Is it moving? Is that a fish? I don't know. Yeah.
Wait, what? Bruh. Like...
Dude,
Hey, put it up here, let's see it.
this kid is biting my finger.
Put it in front of it.
It hurts, it hurts, it hurts.
Put it down.
You can't. Just get bit.
It's really small, guys. Simon got his first release it. It's too small.
Put it back. What's up, Willow? Put it back. What are you doing?
Oh gosh.
Oh, wait. Where are you going? Just put it down.
Oh gosh. I told you that's a good spot, yo.
Just put it down. Just put it down. It's gonna drop.
Wait, go scoot over. Woo! Oh, it came up too. Hey! Woo! Guys, look what I caught, guys. Guys, this is what we caught so far. Let me show you guys a little peek. Oh, got a bite.
Looks like I'm gonna try to catch a shark at this point.
No, you catch a bass.
Here, Luke.
Can you feed me?
I'll get it. Get on a rock.
You fish at all?
Not yours.
No, I drive fancy cars and count money, man. I mean, real estate, man, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, that's what's up.
Yeah. It was hard catching though.
What's your name, by the way? My name is Don J.
My name is Luke.
So this is the bait? That's what it is.
This is for catching sharks.
Yeah, my friend.
Oh, we caught hella fish, huh, bro?
Yeah. He's good. He got a shark one time too.
Stop playing. Oh, that's a real shark, huh?
Yeah.
Is that him?
No.
Oh, no. How about you? You eat shark too? What's your name?
Simon.
What's up, Simon, man? Do you eat shark too or what?
No.
No, he said no. Yeah, this is crazy, man.
The water's going crazy.
On YouTube? Is this why you're on YouTube? Is this YouTube stuff? It might go viral, huh?
I got something big.
That'd be crazy to go viral, huh?
What are you doing out here?
I didn't think that you could fish here. I thought you could fish on the other side. I didn't know here though.
So guys, that's like the end of the clip of me talking to Danye because my GoPro ran out of battery. So after my GoPro ran out of battery, I continued to talk to Danye. He told me that he's a multi-millionaire because like he's a real estate agent. So he sells like houses for a living. He also said his mother is a judge. Recently he got a new Bentley car. Guys, a Bentley car is worth 200K. 200. And he continued to ask about fishing, and he was fascinated talking to me. And he said he wanted to go fishing with me. So I gave him his number, we exchanged number, and he said he just flew down here to San Francisco for a Thanksgiving dinner. And he said he's gonna fly back to Sacramento because that's where he lives. He might come back and go fishing with me, but I don't know, man. Might be sketchy. I might get robbed, you know, because you can't trust what other people say. And yeah, you gotta be cautious about it. So right here, I sent him some links to what to get because he wants to start fishing. So I sent him a rod and a reel that he should get. So guys, here are more chats of me talking to Danye. Feel free to read it and type in the comments below some of your feedback. Should I go fishing with Danye or not? And then right here, Danye said, I'll be back in California again in February to host a seminar in downtown SF at City Hall. All these things seems pretty legit, but I don't know yet, guys. And then right here, I told him that he does not really need to buy a rod because he's not going fishing like every weekend. But you probably go fishing like couple times a year. So I recommend him to get I recommend him to rent one instead of buying one. That'll save him a lot of money. And I also said that if he's trying to go on a boat with me, cause like you catch hella fish on a boat, I'm saying. So right here, I told him that it's kind of hard for me to go fishing because I have school and I have no car. And then I said unless we go during the summer or spring break, and he said I got you. He said I'll come pick you up with my Lamborghini. This is pretty hard to believe, guys, so I'm gonna end the video here, and you just type in the comments below what you're thinking right now, what's your feedback, and peace. This is the end of the video, and I'm gonna try to make more fishing videos, guys.